Hey, what is going on out there in YouTube land? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on YouTube. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, we are back, and today we're going to be showing you how to change that YouTube profile picture. And right now we are on the YouTube homepage. Make sure you're signed in. I'm going to go ahead and click here on the top right and hit your channel. And I'm going to come down here right next to the title of your channel. And it says Edit Profile Picture. Click there. And it says it's going to take a few minutes for it to take effect once you change the picture. But make sure you have a picture on hand that you want to use. I just took one a few minutes ago just for an example. I chose this, and you're going to hit Done. And that is it. And then we're going to go back and hit the back button, and it should take a few minutes to take effect. There it is. You see my new Super Simple Fixes logo, which really has no wording on it. This is just temporary. I'm just showing you how to do it, but it's really easy. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below. Thanks a lot and have a great day.